Hey guys, this is going to be your perfect comfortable pant for spring and summer. It's actually like a full split pant, so it like double wraps in the front and then it goes all the way up so you can have like that high leg. Super breathable. It is a wide leg and it's very lightweight and comfortable. Flows really well, and again has that split all the way up, but it's not going to be like super obvious when you're walking. It's kind of just really like if you pop the leg out or if you're sat and you purposely do it. So perfect for summer, perfect for vacation, perfect for Hawaii or a cruise. I've got it paired with the green tank just so you can kind of see a neutral look, but it looks amazing with any of the peach tones or the rose tones or the tomato red to pull out that floral detail as well. It is so comfortable. So this one comes in small, medium, large, but it is a super elasticated waist, and then obviously it is a wide leg as well. You can actually pull it up higher on the waist if you want, or pull it down lower on the hips depending on how you want to wear it. Really nice, kind of like a crepe texture on the fabric as well. So small is going to fit anywhere from 0 to 8'10". Medium is going to be your 8 through 12, 14. And then your large is going to be your 16, 18, and 20. If you have any questions on this one, feel free to reach out and ask. But it is so comfortable. You're going to love these pants. And I hope it brings you vacation vibes when you put it on.